Imagine walking into a room and not being able to tell who's there just because you cannot see. And imagine not being able to have simple conversations just because no one understands your language. That is the daily experience of over 27 million persons with disabilities, called PWDs, in India. Over here, accessibility is only an afterthought in education, employment, and public spaces. And 70% of people live in underserved communities, but there is no access to assistive technology. Hi, I'm Kiyan Shah, founder of Abilitech, and I believe that technology should empower, not exclude. Through affordable and assistive technology, we hope to empower PWDs with independence, confidence, and opportunities. Because truly everybody deserves to be heard, seen, and understood. This work directly supports UNSDG 10, which is reduced inequalities, and UNSDG 4, which is quality education. While the numbers tell a harsh reality, this is more than statistics. This is personal. I firsthand witnessed my grandfather struggle with vision loss, unable to identify faces or read books. Then I met Raghav, a hearing impaired restaurant worker who tried his best to communicate with his customers, and yet his patrons couldn't understand his language, sign language, and this made his world feel limited in many ways. I founded Abilitech, a non-profit initiative that develops affordable assistive technologies so that disabilities don't define limits. Here's how we're making a change. Signcraft, a real-time sign language translator. For the deaf and hard of hearing, conversation can be isolating. Signcraft translates Indian Sign Language into text instantly, making communication seamless, whether at work, in school, or at home. Speechcraft, personalized speech training for autism. For individuals with verbal autism, speech isn't just difficult, it's overwhelming. Speechcraft provides a safe, structured place to practice verb skills without judgment. It's already being used in special education centers, helping students gain confidence in their voices. Chirpies, an AI-powered bilingual AAC app for autism. Many non-verbal children with autism struggle with even the most basic communication. Chirpies is an AI-driven communication coach that helps these individuals learn and practice language in a comfortable way, turning anxiety into confidence.
कियान शाह हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में आया, आशियाना इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर ऑटिज्म। ये बच्चे से पहले हमारी मुलाकात कभी भी नहीं हुई। उसने गूगल में सर्च करके ये हमारे स्कूल में आया और उसने सभी हमारे बच्चों को ऑब्जर्व किया, उनके साथ बात की, उनके साथ खेला। बच्चा 2-3 दिन आता रहा और फिर उसने 1 महीने के बाद एक डिवाइस बनाया। मैं इतना सरप्राइज हो गया कि बच्चे ने इतना स्टडी किया। उसने एक ऐसा डिवाइस बनाया जो नॉन वर्बल बच्चे हैं, जो बोल नहीं पाते, उनके लिए चर्पिंग नाम का एक डिवाइस बनाया, और दूसरी जो बच्चे बोल पाते हैं पर इतना अच्छा नहीं, उनके लिए स्पीच क्राफ्ट उन्होंने बनाया। और हमें वो देखकर इतना अच्छा लगा कि हमारे बच्चे यूज करते हैं, अपनी फीलिंग्स बताते हैं, टीचर्स को बताते हैं, पेरेंट्स को बताते हैं, अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताते हैं, उनको कहाँ जाना है तो वो उंगली दिखाकर वो पिक्चर को बताते हैं।
Sightcraft, a smart assistant for the visually impaired. For those who are blind or visually impaired, managing themselves even in indoor spaces is a daily challenge. Sightcraft is a portable device that recognizes face, reads text aloud, and assists users in navigating their surroundings independently.
Hi, I'm Dr. Reshma Javedi from Shoreside Eye Care, and I have seen struggles among my blind patients. What I have found is this really amazing innovation by Kiyan. It's called Sightcraft, and this innovation has helped a lot of my blind patients to not only recognize objects, recognize people, as well as even read text. With this, they can actually, have their own independence.
And these solutions aren't just ideas, they're actually changing lives. In fact, 600 plus PWDs have been impacted by our assistive technologies. 50 plus devices have been provided to rehabilitation centers and special schools. And we have engaged 8,000 people through advocacy at national and global forums. And we're just getting started. My innovations have been recognized by the India's Ministry of Science and Technology, UNICEF, IRIS National Fair, ESCOM ISF in South Africa, India Innovation Challenge, World Robot Olympiad, World STEM and Robotics Olympiad. I had the honor of showcasing my work to UNICEF Ambassador David Beckham and India's Cultural Minister, and also being spotlighted by 100 plus IPO as a new change maker. At Abilitech, inclusion isn't just about technology, it's about creating a world where everyone gets the support they need to thrive. A world that listens, a world that understands, a world that leaves no one behind. That's the world we want to create one step at a time. Thank you.